What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty should be that squishing the yo. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a go. Shorty she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, y'all, I'm gonna be working with BGM hair. And y'all, first things first, hold on, do y'all know what BGM stands for? Black Girl Magic, y'all. This company done won my heart, not only with the name, but with the lace and then the hair. Like, I'm not even joking, y'all. I literally finger curled this. I said finger curl. I literally finger combed this whole hair, and not one time did like clumps of hair come out. Like maybe 1 or 2 strands, which is normal because it's curly hair. But y'all, this hair is so freaking soft. I don't know what these companies are doing, but y'all, they are coming in clutch with these soft curly wigs. Like, y'all, I don't remember curly hair ever being this soft to the point where I could just literally finger comb it and I have no tangles, no shedding. Literally 1 strand, nothing, y'all, nothing, y'all. Black Girl Magic hair got my heart. I ain't gonna hold y'all. First of all, I received a highlight deep wave glueless, honey, glueless pre-cut. Yo, glueless? These glueless pre-cut wigs are literally coming in clutch. These companies are smart. They know there's a lot of people out there that want to wear wigs but don't know how to really do wigs. So they're like, let's come up with something that's going to make it so easy for everyone to wear wigs. Even for the people who do know how to do hair but don't always feel like doing, you know, the extra stuff that we have to do all the time just to throw on a wig and glue it down. These glueless wigs was the smartest thing they could have ever came out with, y'all. First things first, this is a HD Swiss lace. That's one, y'all. HD Swiss lace. Do y'all see how this lace is melting? Do y'all see? Do y'all see how they plucked this wig, y'all? This wig is fire. It literally took me under 5 minutes just to install this wig. I literally threw it on and just laid down the top so it don't give me that wiggy look. But I didn't even have to do that if I didn't want to, honestly. I could have just threw mousse on top and I would have been done with my hair in literally under 3 minutes. But y'all, these wigs are so beginner friendly. It's not funny. I can't stress this enough. You don't have to do nothing to your wig. Everything is done for you. The wig is plucked, the lace is cut. Listen, it's nothing to do, and then it comes with an adjustable band inside to the point where you can adjust it. If it's too tight, you can either put, if you someone who like your wigs tight, you can put this wig tight to the point where it is melted, like you don't even see nothing. It comes with a band, y'all. It comes with a band inside that makes the wig melt on its own. You don't need no holding spray, no glue, no nothing, y'all. This hair is bomb. And then with this lace also, I got the 4x6, so I can also do like a side part. Ooh, hold on. Why I ain't think about no side part? Hold on. I could also do a side part. Y'all, it's giving Shakira, it's giving Beyonce. Like, I'm feeling, oh my God, I could also do a side part. I was not thinking about that. Ooh, oh yeah, this wig is giving. I'm about to go to the gym with my wig on. And I can go to the gym with my wig on with no problem and don't have to wear a band. Why? Because honey is glueless. I don't have to worry about my wig sliding back. These pre-cut lace wigs save the embarrassment. Like, I'm not trying to be funny. Like, you know when it's hot outside, you be like, oh my God. Or if you out partying, you be like, yo, is my wig lifting? Because when I go out, y'all, I always wear a band or always have my band on me just in case the wig start lifting anything. But with pre-cut lace wigs, I don't gotta do none of that. Because honey, I know the wig ain't going nowhere. My hair, it don't move, honey. Like, it don't move. These wigs are secured, honey. Secured. I don't gotta worry about no lace lifting because my baby is glueless. Like, these wigs was the smartest thing they can ever invent. Like, I'm not even joking. Let me hurry up because my camera's overheating. 100% human hair. Y'all, save the time. Save all the hard work and the hassle. Go get you a pre-cut lace wig from Black Girl Magic. Y'all, I love it. That name? Yeah, that name just, yeah. If you guys are interested in the same exact wig, this wig is going to be linked down below. And if you're interested on how to install a glueless frontal, which is not much, literally all you're doing is throw it on, continue watching this video. Like I said, I would highly, 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 highly recommend Black Girl Magic Hair. Lace melted, hair is hairing, curls is curling. Listen, everything about this hair, this company is fire. This is my first time working with them. First time. I was scared at first. So I'm like, what type of Yankee janky? You know what I'm saying? I hear new companies come around me, I'd be like, what is this about to be? But baby, they shut me up. They shut me up. I love this hair. But y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Everything's going to be listed down below. Go get your glueless wigs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.